Guys, most AI video tools look powerful at first, but once you actually start using them, you realize something simple. You are doing most of the work yourself. You write prompts, generate scenes, and try to keep everything connected. But instead of focusing on the idea, you spend your time managing the process. Friends, that is the real problem. AI can generate content, but it does not understand your project. My name is Daniel, and today we are looking at Invideo Agent One, a tool that approaches this differently. Instead of treating every scene as a separate task, it keeps the whole project in context. You are not trying to control every step, you are just directing the result. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. So let's get started. Alright folks, before we go further, let's quickly understand what this actually is. Invideo Agent One is not just another AI video generator. The main difference is how it works with context. Most tools process every instruction separately. You generate one scene, then move to the next one, and nothing is really connected. That is why consistency becomes a problem. And mates, because of that, you end up repeating the same things again and again. You explain the idea, the style, the characters, and then you do it one more time in the next step. What this does differently is simple. You upload your idea, script, or even just a concept. You define your characters and visual direction once. After that, the system keeps the full project in context. So instead of thinking about prompts, the focus shifts to direction. You describe what needs to change or improve, and the system handles the rest. And friends, this is where the shift happens. One instruction is not limited to a single scene. It applies across everything that is connected to your project. The system understands how different parts relate to each other. Instead of stitching separate pieces together, the whole project behaves like a single structure. And mates, that is why it feels different. The process becomes less about managing steps and more about shaping the final result. Guys, let's see how this actually works in practice, because this is where the difference becomes obvious. So, for this demo, I'm not starting from a blank page, and I'm not jumping straight into a finished result either. I'm starting with an initial visual reference for the main character, which gives Agent One a creative starting point to build from. In this case, 3D visual world. And that's important because the point here is not just generating random shots. The real test is whether the tool can take an initial concept, interpret it, and then turn it into something that feels more structured, more polished, and more connected as a project. After that, you can already see the shift. Agent One doesn't just copy the reference literally, it starts building a fuller visual direction around it, developing the character, the environment, and the overall tone in a way that feels much more cinematic. And mates, that is what stood out to me here. It takes the original idea as a starting point, but then pushes it further into something that feels more like a real production concept, rather than a loose collection of generated images. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now at this point, the system actually asks if I want to adjust anything or just move forward. Instead of overthinking it, I add one simple idea. I tell it that I want the character to feel more modern, like she doesn't fully belong in this world, and I let it handle how that plays out. It asks for a bit of clarification, and I choose anachronistic details, so things like sneakers or small modern elements inside a medieval setting. Before we see the result, take a second to understand why this is even possible. I simply gave the agent one natural language direction. I was not manually choosing which shots to edit or rebuilding the project from scratch. The instruction was broad, but Agent One understood how it should affect the project. This works because Agent One is not treating that instruction like a separate prompt. It is reading it through the project context we already created. That means it already understands the character, the medieval world, the visual tone, and the rules we set earlier. So when I say I want to add modern details, Agent One does not start from zero. It uses the existing project context as the source of truth. It understands which character we are talking about, where she appears, what style the project already has, and how the change should fit into the existing world. And mates, this is the part that makes it feel different. It is not just generating another random clip, it is holding the whole production together, so one instruction can affect the connected scenes without breaking the style. The world itself stays the same, the style doesn't break, but now there's a clear contrast inside it, and that contrast carries through all the scenes. From here I move straight into video, and again I'm not rebuilding anything, I just tell it to keep the same tone and consistency, and it takes everything we already have and turns it into a full sequence. So instead of working scene by scene and trying to fix things manually, I'm just guiding the direction while the system handles how that idea plays out across the entire project. At this point, everything looks good, so instead of starting from scratch again, it keeps the same tone, the same style, and the same idea across all scenes, just now in motion. So what you get is not random clips that you have to fix later, but a set of shots that already feel connected. They still come as separate scenes, but the character, the style, and the overall tone stay consistent from one shot to another. Honestly, this is the part I wasn't expecting. The consistency here really surprised me. Guys, what stands out here is not just the result, but how the whole process works from the start. With most tools, you get separate pieces that don't really connect, and you end up spending time fixing and trying to make everything match. That's where most of the effort goes. Here, it feels different from the beginning, because everything is already structured and built around one idea. Now, of course, it's not perfect, and you'll still want to adjust things depending on what you're building. But as a starting point, this feels much closer to a normal creative process, where you focus on the idea instead of fixing the workflow. Honestly, mates, this is not really for casual one-off prompting. But if you are building real projects where characters, style, and scenes need to stay consistent, this is where Agent One starts to make sense. So if you want to try it out, I've left all the useful links in the description below, and you can see how it fits into your own setup. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.